Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel Ikke Kitchen. Today we are going to make carrot cake. First of all, we are going to make praline. Here I have 50 grams of sugar. I am going to caramelize it and then I will add 50 grams of toasted nuts to it. Viewers, I have melted my sugar. You can see it has been caramelized. While melting sugar, you should not stir spoon in it. Just swirl it with the handle. Now I will add my toasted nuts to it. Viewers, you can see my sugar coated nuts. I will wait for it to cool down and grind it in a grinder. We will just top our cream cheese frosting with it. Now first of all, we are going to mix our dry ingredients. For the cake, here I have 175 grams of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, rind of 1 orange and lemon. I will mix these in my flour. Here I have taken 2 eggs. In my eggs, I will add 75 grams of brown sugar, grams of caster sugar. Here I have 150 ml of oil. I am adding vanilla essence, half teaspoon. Here I have cake spice. If you don't have, you can add half teaspoon of nutmeg and half teaspoon of clove. I am also adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to it. Now I will add these dry ingredients to my batter. Now I will add 50 grams of chopped nuts, 50 grams of sultanas, 50 grams of desiccated coconut, and 175 grams of shredded carrot. Now I will add my batter to the greased pan. Viewers, now I am going to bake this cake for 35 to 40 minutes on 180 degrees. So viewers, now I will show you how to make its frosting. Here I have 100 grams of cream cheese, 150 grams of icing sugar, butter 30 grams, half teaspoon of vanilla essence. We will beat everything together to a fine frosting. You can see we have a silky smooth frosting ready. So viewers, we have took out our cake. Now I will frost it. I have blitzed my caramel nuts and now we will sprinkle it after frosting it. So viewers, we are ready to serve our carrot cake. I hope you will try it at your homes. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.